Today, I'm showing you how to make a classic crème brûlée. Using just a few simple ingredients, it's rich, creamy, and finished with that perfectly crackly caramel top. Easy to make at home, yet elegant enough for any occasion. Let's get started. Let's start by turning the oven to 310 degrees Fahrenheit while it preheats. We'll make the egg yolk mixture. In a bowl, add 3 egg yolks and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add a pinch of salt. This doesn't make it salty, but it really enhances the flavor and balances the sweetness. Whisk everything together just until smooth, about 1 minute. In a saucepan over medium heat, add 1 cup of whipping cream and half a cup of whole milk. Heat it gently, stirring often, until the mixture is hot and steamy, but not boiling. Once it's almost at a simmer, remove it from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, we're going to temper the eggs. Slowly pour the hot cream mixture into the egg mixture while whisking continuously. This step is important. It prevents the eggs from scrambling and keeps the custard smooth and silky. Next, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve. This step is optional, but it removes bubbles and any tiny bits of egg, giving you the smoothest possible texture. Also, gently skim off any foam or bubbles on top. Divide the custard evenly between oven-safe ramekins. I'm using 2 large 6 by 6 inch ramekins, but this recipe also makes 4 3.5 by 3.5 inch ramekins. Finally, use a toothpick to pop any bubbles on the surface before baking. Place the ramekins into a baking sheet or baking dish, then carefully pour hot water around them until it reaches about halfway up the sides. This water bath helps the custard cook gently and evenly. After baking, the edges should be set while the centers still have a gentle jiggle. Transfer the ramekins to a wire rack to cool, then cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or until fully chilled. Once the custard is completely chilled, it's time for the topping. Sprinkle an even layer of sugar over the surface, about 1 tablespoon per ramekin. Using a kitchen torch, hold the flame a few inches above the sugar. Move the flame in a circular motion until the sugar melts, bubbles, and turns golden brown. Be careful not to hold the flame in one spot for too long. You want an even, crackly crust. Let the sugar cool for a minute so it hardens. Now for the best part, cracking through that caramel. Underneath is a silky, smooth custard that's rich, creamy, and perfectly balanced. Simple, elegant, and absolutely delicious. Under that crisp caramel top is the silkiest custard, rich, creamy, and luxuriously smooth. The crackle gives way to a perfectly balanced vanilla flavor that just melts in your mouth. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time with another delicious dessert.